Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Adventure John here. So today I got a surprise. A company named Coverado reached out to me. They wanted me to give a review on their seat covers. So they sent me some really nice seat covers for my F-350. These things look amazing. Let me let you see what they look like. Look at this, dude. This, you know what this reminds me? This is what I picture. This is what I picture Deadpool's suit feeling like. Not that I want to feel Deadpool's suit, especially not with him in it. But this is what I feel like it would feel like here. So the guy who started this company, his name's Wayne. Wayne loves to play basketball, and he would go to the local park every night and play basketball. And then he would drive home, you know, sweaty as hell. So Wayne decided to get some seat covers, put seat covers in his car. He hated it. He hated the seat covers. Honestly, I've never had a seat cover look like these. So Wayne went to his friend Joyce. Joyce's dad's a craftsman. They asked him to make him some custom seat covers, and he did. And the only two things he wanted was environmentally friendly, and he wanted it to be like smell resistant. So I'd say he won. These things look amazing. The actual back, here's the headrest and the base. Let's just put it on there and see what it looks like. Looks pretty simple. Looks real simple, actually. Let's see how simple it is. Doing this here on the side of a hill. Looks like, oh yeah, there we go. It's got these little buttons here. Snap. That feels really good. What's this? Assuming there's a loop or something there. Okay, this sticks to that. It's pretty simple. Okay, now for the bottom, it does have clips, so you gotta put this in there. Okay. What do you think, guys? Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Okay, guys, well, that wasn't so bad. The Lariat has like the seat cover that comes on the Lariat. That was a little bit of a pain, I ain't gonna lie. It wasn't that the seat cover was a pain getting on it. It was being able to get it attached to behind the seat. I don't know if the XL and the XLT has that or not. So you'll definitely probably want to, you know, plan ahead on that one. I would probably did the lower part first the next time. So I'm gonna ride around for a few days. I'll let you guys know how I like them. I have heated and vented seats, so I want to see what that feels like, you know, as I'm using it. And it's winter time, so I'm definitely gonna have that heat on. I have an affiliate link that I'm gonna put in the description. So, you know, if you like it, if you like this video, if the product looks like something, you know, you'd want, check it out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, guys, well, that wasn't so bad. I think I would have put the... Okay, guys, well, that wasn't so bad. I should have put the bottom on first and not the top. I should have put the bottom on first. It was a little harder with the bottom already in it. with the top already in it. Dude, that is so sweet. Okay.
Let me put them
All right, guys. Well, that wasn't so bad. I should have put the bottom on first, and I did the next one. So I'm going to ride around for a few days. I have heated seats and vented seats. I want to see how it works with that. But the quality's there. These are really, really nice. I don't think you can go wrong with it. They give me a link to an affiliate program, and I'm going to be attaching that in the description. So if it's something you're needing, good quality, nice seat covers, I'd go for it. The price seems right also. Now, they gave me these, so that price is definitely right. But they gave me these so I could do a review. And that's what I did. It's an honest review. I would buy these, definitely. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let's get lost.